ask that, are you clear on the difference between limited and limited assurance and reasonable assurance? I believe you're clear on that. And we're also clear on the 5 types of IAASB, where we spoke to the types of International Audit and Assurance Standard, Board Standard that we spoke to. And also, if you're good with that, let's look at Nigeria's adoption of this standard very shortly. And that's where I'll welcome us to Unit 5 on the Nigerian standards on auditing. So this is a short one, so don't worry, a very short unit. Now think of the Nigerian standards on auditing like a transition of the international standards on auditing into Nigerian language. You see, the meaning was the same, but the words were local. So now we use the original international version directly. So the Nigerian standards on auditing historically applied in Nigeria or have now been superseded. So the key point again, another key point is that Nigeria has fully adopted the pure international standards on auditing. And also the ICAN Audit and Assurance study text and exam actually refer only to the international standards on auditing throughout the study text. So we just need to be aware that the Nigerian standards on auditing once existed. They once existed. So the details are the Nigerian standards on auditing were based on the international standards on auditing issued by the International Federation of Accountants. So another detail is that we had minor changes which were made to reflect local terminology and legislation. And we also had the underlying substance of how to audit, and the risk-based approach was the same. So remember the Nigerian standards on auditing with this acronym SUPER. S means it was superseded. That means the Nigerian standards on auditing were superseded by the international standards on auditing. So the NSAs or the Nigerian standards on auditing are no longer used. Then for U is understanding. Just be aware that they existed. That's for your understanding and information. Then P is we now use pure IASs. We now fully adopt the IASs in Nigeria. Then for exam focus, you need to focus on only the IASs. And also remember that the Nigerian standards on auditing were based on the international standards on auditing, very importantly. So that's it. That's why I said initially it's a very short unit and we don't need to go too much, go so